Try these ideas to become successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. There are just so many ways to define it, as it doesn't mean the same thing to everybody. There are also so many ways that somebody can market themselves or even other people. With so many ways to do things, you are probably wondering where you can begin. Try beginning with the tips noted here. It is crucial that you take steps to make sure your affiliates, and yourself, do not exploit this. This can make your site visitors feel resentful. The worst cases can involve breaking trackers or giving viruses to users. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. Convincing visitors to do surveys on your affiliate site is not easy. Be upfront about the topic and the time they need to spend to complete the survey. As an incentive, you may offer coupons to websites related to the topic of the survey, and you can also display links and get paid for the purchases your survey takers make. Yes, affiliate marketing is quite a subject in that it is a completely individual business move. No two people market in the exact same fashion. What one finds helpful, the other may not. The tips below should have given you some advice on how to start creating an affiliate marketing plan that works for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.